sitting here stuck like a.
People looking at me different. People looking at me funny. Had to put some distance. Had to keep these fake niggas from me.
Hey Dimes, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is your girl Diamond. Welcome to UIA by your girl Diamond, and I'm so happy that I got a new type of video out for you guys today. And if you read the description, you already know what this video is about. It's about these Diamond Out 2020 style ponytail. As I put it in a little bun or whatever, but you can do it however you feel. You know, ponytails are pretty easy or whatever, and you guys just watch this video and get an idea of how you want to style your jewels and make it look. If you want to add color jewels, you can do the gold. Some people are doing pinks and blues, all type of things. So you guys just do it however you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? I got the little earring to kind of bring it a little jazz or whatever. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you guys love this video. I wanted to try it once I started seeing, like, you know, how good it looks on everyone else. And I don't usually do hair tutorials on my channel, but it's, you know, I'm trying something new. I usually do New Year 2020, promoting my business with you guys. So don't forget to shop UIA by Diamond. That's me, and you guys are my dimes, and I love you guys. Underneath it all, you know, I sell eyelashes, lip glosses, socks, women underwear, like a lot of fun items. I have a lot more to come. This coronavirus is really blowing my minds right now. You know, I'm actually waiting on packages right now as we speak, but I have to get my hair done. So I said, you know, why not record a video with my new YouTubers and show you guys how I do this nice look or whatever. You know, I thought about putting in a little bun or whatever, you know, just having a little fun with it. This hairstyle, I don't know how long these gems are gonna last. Oh, these are my eyelashes, by the way. This is Lash Style Forever 21. So like I said, shop UIA. Family members taking advantage of these cheap flights, so they are coming to Atlanta, you know, to see me. And I'm really excited to have them to come. So I will be recording a lot of videos, challenges, all type of things this week, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. So I want to start it off this week by, you know, the Diamond Out Edge tutorial, because I know it's, you know, something popular right now, and I just wanted to try it out, see how I look. I got these silver pants on. Y'all can't really see because I'm not really showing y'all my whole drip, but I'm gonna take a picture or two and I'll post a picture right here so you guys can see my full drip. I'm trying to show y'all my shoes. But yeah, we having fun. So y'all stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because your girl gonna have lots more videos to come. So shout out to y'all, my dimes, and yeah, enjoy. Laters. Hi dimes, how you guys doing? Back with another video. I'm so excited. As you guys know, you guys read the title, I'm doing the blinged out ponytail. So right now, to start off, I'm just brushing my hair. I had just permed it, so you know, it's looking pretty good. I trimmed my ends, so my hair is looking a lot healthier than prior. So yeah, just putting it up in a nice pony right here. You guys know how to do a ponytail. So here I'm just combing out my little baby hairs, I guess you can call it, you know, my little edges or whatever. Just combing it all out in the front. You know, I'm not too particular about having a straight part or anything, because I do want it to just look fun and, you know, not too thought out, you know. So I'm just piecing it together. My hair is kind of thin and short in the front, so my baby hairs are already kind of like, you know, you can kind of tell by the length of the hair what can be used as baby hair and what cannot. So yeah, just here trying to figure it all out, you know. It's pretty easy. So now I'm just getting my hair together into a nice ponytail. I didn't want my ponytail too high up at top, so I'm putting mine like in the middle of the back of my head. You know, I didn't want like a high pony. You can do a high pony, a all the way back pony, middle pony, like however you want your pony, do it your way. This is how I felt like doing it at the moment. I kind of at the end wished I had did a high pony, but this is what I end up doing. And yeah, she cute or whatever. So now I have it in a ponytail, looking, looking a little good. So here I'm using the Eco Styling Gel. I know a lot of you guys on here are used to the 2020 gel, which is the what? The got to be, okay? I always grew up with using black hair gel, and ever since I graduated, I've turned over to the Eco Styling Gel because I just love that it never left flakes. You know, the black styling gel used to get hard and dry and all these things. So I fell in love with the regular styling gel a couple years back, and I still use it to this day. So shout out to Eco. I love using their styling gel, and I haven't yet switched over to the Got to Be gel, the Got to Be black gel. But I definitely use the Got to Be sprays and the Got to Be glue. But right now I'm cool with my Eco Styling Gel. So yeah, y'all just gel your ponytail up, get them flyaways, get it as straight as possible. You know how you want your ponytail to be, okay? So now I'm here posing with my handy dandy blow dryer. Just blow drying my hair, making it get the gel get hard and dry so that my hair can stay in place. Spritz. You all should know what spritz is. That's the holding spray from back in the day. Okay? They say, girl, your hair ain't done if you ain't smelling like no spritz. You heard? Oh, I cracked myself up. But yeah, I'm still here drying. I've been drying my hair for a very, very long time. If you ask me, I think I dragged it. So now I'm just here, the blow dryer messed up my little baby hair. So I'm just here brushing down, getting it out the way, and braiding my little ponytail in a tight braid. You want that braid to be tight because if you have to stick Barbie pins in there or anything like that, you don't want it to, you want the Barbie pins to have something to grip onto. So, braid your hair as tight as possible, as neat as possible, as together as possible. And yeah, I'm just here braiding all the way to the end, period. To the end. Then after I braid it to the end, I'm just going to wrap it around. Alfalfa. I said it too in the video. Alfalfa. For real. But yeah, I'm just wrapping it around in a teeny weeny little knot. Got my bobby pins on deck. So here I'm just scoping it out, trying to figure out how I'm gonna do the swoop and swerve and the curve. Just doing a little map out before I actually put the styling gel onto my brush or my comb. I'm just mapping it out, getting a feel of where I want everything to land. So here I am with the styling gel, and I'm doing my first swoop. Y'all got faith in me? Y'all got faith? These swoops and these edges for 2020 from it's just been taken over, and the technique you gotta have. Ooh, she did it. She did it. You gotta have a technique, your own style. Like everybody do their edges different. Just make sure it's smooth and it's it's swerving. Once it's swerving, you did good. Like, and yours don't have to look just like mine. Do it your own way. Just make sure it's cute and it's swerving, and you good. So here are the finishing touches of my swoops, my edges, or whatever. I think they came out okay. But once you add the bling, which is what we're here for in this video, it came out amazing. So stay tuned. So here I'm using some kind of styling paper. I got it from the beauty supply store. You can usually use it when you're like under the dryer, anything dealing with gel. This just helps keeps my edges in place while I put my ponytail on. As you can see, I'm here getting it. Here's the ponytail. I believe it's about 20 something inches, 26, 28 inches. I don't know. And I really like this ponytail. There it is. It's a Pony Pro Easy Wrap ponytail. So I really like this ponytail because as you guys can see, it's the new 2020 version, the wrap around version. It has the combs that you can just stick into your ponytail. It's already long width, so you don't have to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. It's like a 2, 3 wraps and you all done. So yeah, I'm just here putting the combs into my braided pony and securing it in there, making sure it's in there tight. And I'm also getting some bobby pins to help secure it so it can be extra, extra tight. So I'm just bobby pinning it in, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around. It's called a wrap around ponytail for a reason. After you get it in tight, you just wrap it around as tight as possible. So now I'm just taking a little piece from the end, combing it out, make sure it's straight and nice, spritzing it up to give it that nice glow, fresh look. We gotta use the spritz. And I'm just gonna take this piece and wrap it around the edges of the pony. So you could give it that nice finish. I went to the salon look, cover up whatever type of tracks may be showing, spritz it to make sure it stays and it doesn't come undone at the wrong time. edges looking real nice. So here are the gems that I'll be using. They're called face gem stickers. So they're actually stickers that you can just place on. I have my tweezer. You can just place on in any way you think they're gonna be cute. Right onto your edges. Stop. Oh, here's my lip gloss underneath it all. Quick plug. Look at me working. Go girl. It has a mirror. Has my little logo. That is Style His. It has the LED light. So you guys shop UIA underneath it all by your girl Diamond. Period. Look at that. My lips looking nice. Quick little promo, for my little lip gloss line. I don't only have lip gloss, I have eyelashes. I have everything. And look how nice. That's his, y'all. Go shop now. Go and shop now. So now, finally, I'm at the fun part, placing the gems onto my head. Okay. So I have some small ones, some medium-sized ones, and some large ones. So the challenge is just being creative and putting the gems, lining them around your edges in whichever way you think will look cute. So, like I told you before, they're stickers, so you really can literally just place them on like a project. Some of them were falling off because the sticker part wasn't attaching to the back as it should. So I just put a little bit of hair glue on some of them just to make sure it stays. But majority of them had the stickers. So yeah, you guys can watch me decorate. So guys, this is me here. These are my lashes from my lash line Forever 21. Shop underneath it all because we got the best 25mm mix out. Okay? But yeah, get into that here, baby. Get into it, baby. Period. So I'm just trying it out. I'm here putting a little bun, just practicing a little cute style, seeing how else I can wear this hair to make it a little cuter. You can do whatever you want. Can make your bun neater, more tight. I was just doing something quick. I think I end up even taking this bun out. I was just trying it out. But damn, my lashes looking good, baby. So hey guys, this is me modeling the finishing look of the blinged out edges ponytail tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please guys, all my diamonds out there, my diamonds, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to go up in the YouTube game. I have plenty more videos to come, so stay tuned down.
Leaving me lonely. Now I'm sitting here stuck like a